Hi, it's Angie P, and welcome to the 5th episode of Living the Senior Life Show, where we break down the good, fun, and challenging sides of getting older. Let's get started. Today's episode is about seniors embracing your inner child in retirement, rediscovering vigor and joy. Retirement is a new chapter in life, offering a unique opportunity to reconnect with your inner child and rediscover the boundless joy and vigor you once had. As we age, responsibilities and life's challenges may have overshadowed the playful spirit within us. However, by tapping into our inner child, we can cultivate positivity, creativity, and emotional strength. In this article, we will explore the best ways to embrace your inner child in retirement, bringing back the zest for life and enhancing overall well-being. Number 1, acknowledge the inner child. Embracing your inner child begins with recognizing its presence within you. Childhood experiences shape us, and understanding how they influence our present emotions and behavior is crucial. Reflect on your happiest childhood memories and let them guide you towards rekindling your sense of wonder and joy. Number 2, engage in creative play. Retirement opens up time for exploration and play. Engage in activities that ignite your creativity, whether it's painting, drawing, writing, or crafting. These creative outlets not only bring joy, but also stimulate your mind, keeping it active and agile. Number 3, spend time with children. Children have an innate ability to find joy in the simplest things. Spend time with your grandchildren, neighborhood kids, or volunteer with children's organizations. Their boundless energy and curiosity can be infectious and inspire your own sense of wonder. 4, embrace playfulness. Retirement offers the freedom to be spontaneous and playful. Embrace your inner child by indulging in activities like dancing, singing, or playing games. Let go of inhibitions and allow yourself to experience the pure joy of being in the moment. 5, explore new hobbies. Retirement is the ideal time to explore interests you might not have had the chance to pursue earlier in life. Take up new hobbies like gardening, cooking, photography, or learning a musical instrument. Embracing new challenges fosters vigor and keeps your mind engaged. 6, practice meditation and visualization. Inner child meditation and visualization can help you connect with your younger self and bring forth healing and understanding. Find a calm space and practice simple breath meditation, focusing on your breath and your inner child's needs. 7, cultivate self-compassion. Treat your inner child with love and compassion. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel vulnerable and to acknowledge any past pain. Practice self-compassion through journaling and self-affirmations, reaffirming your worth and value. 8, stay open-minded. Maintain an open mind and approach life with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Embrace new experiences and learning opportunities. The beginner's mind can lead to increased resilience as you adapt to change and embrace growth. 9, look at old photos. Take a trip down memory lane by looking at old photos from your childhood. Reminiscing about the carefree days of youth can reignite fond memories and evoke positive emotion, reinforcing the connection with your inner child. Number 10, focus on fun and laughter. Engage in activities that bring laughter and joy into your life. Join laughter yoga sessions, watch comedies, or spend time with friends who make you laugh. Laughter has therapeutic effects, reduces stress, and enhances overall well-being. Embracing your inner child in retirement is a powerful journey towards rediscovering vigor and joy. By tapping into the carefree spirit of your younger self, you can approach life with a newfound sense of wonder and openness. Engage in creative play, spend time with children, and welcome laughter into your life. cultivate self-compassion, and explore new hobbies, to keep your mind engaged. Retirement is a perfect time to reconnect with your inner child and embrace the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. So let your inner child guide you towards a fulfilling and joyous retirement journey. Take care.